Oh my gosh, look at it! It's here! We got it! Yes! So, thank you to all the people who donated to the cause. I have just gotten the camera, which is the first step. I still need the microphones, the warranty, all the other stuff. And I just wanted to get this right away so I can start fooling around with it and do little unboxing videos. So, the thing about unboxing videos is you unbox them, and I actually have this camera on the tripod right now. So, I'm actually just gonna pretend to open it. Are you ready? Alright, here we are. So, gonna open this. Usually there's the manual and stuff right here, but it's not really in there. Wait, there's not actually anything in this box. What the heck? Where is everything? What the heck? Where's the camera? I just bought that. I don't know where the camera went, and I think they gave me the wrong box. It's not in the box. I actually already filmed that part with the other camera that I have, so let's get to the real unboxing. Okay, now time for the real unboxing. Okay, so the Canon Rebel SL2, I am so excited for this camera. Oh my gosh, I just found out that today they actually came out with the SL3, so this camera actually came out a little bit cheaper, so I was able to basically buy it for the same price that I would online as I did in person. So, oh, here's the body. Oh my gosh, okay. So there it is, there. The SL2 body. It's got the flip around screen like the one you're watching this on now, the Sony HX90V. Oops. So there we go, so I can see myself like I'm actually looking at myself right now. So that's really good. I can frame shots really easy, and when I have it pointed at me, plus this touch screen, and oh, I'm just so excited for this camera. Okay, so that is that part. Here's the lens. So much wrapping. Like, this is not good for the environment, but it is good for your camera. So, for you Halo fans. Okay, oh my gosh. Okay, this is exciting. You might not be excited at all, but I am very excited. I'm excited to shoot this stuff. Yeah! Look at that. Okay, dope. So, I got this charging thing. Let's see if the battery works. And we're back. I hope this works right now. I didn't even bring an SD card with me, so I'm gonna pause this video and go get it. Okay, so this mother is on. And look at that. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited for this camera. Wow. Camera strap, mother. Okay, so there is the unboxing of the Canon SL2. Thank you so much to all the people who have donated to me over the last however long I've been doing this. You know, I'm really excited to start this next video series, start filming, start talking about important things, start doing some fun stuff, start entertaining, start interviewing people, and I would not be able to do it if it wasn't for you guys and your donations. So thank you so much again, and I will see you whenever I see you. Yeah, I kind of forgot the camera was on.
Thank you for donating to the cause. Yeah, fans will really appreciate it. Yeah, we appreciate it so much. Yeah, we just love it. Yeah, it's great. If you want to donate, just donate below. Yeah, just donate below.
Thank you so much for watching this video. You can subscribe down below, or you can actually check out one of my other videos. And I am going to be getting more of this stuff periodically. Thank you for donating. I think I'm still $400 away from the goal, give or take. So if you have not donated yet, I'll leave the link to the GoFundMe down below. Thank you so much.